Hello everyone, this is BB here and once again welcome back to my channel BB's Arena. I really love to draw, as you all know. And one of the hardest things for me to draw is facial features, like an eyes. So today in my video, I will show you how to draw eyes step by step. This video is gonna be very much important for the beginners, those who are learning the facial features, portrait drawing like an eyes, nose, lips, etc. And I would like to request to my all friends, please follow me on Instagram and please subscribe my channel and press the bell button to be notified of my all videos. So without making you wait, so let's get started. Draw the basic almond shapes outline of the eye. Try to make the inner corner lower than the outer corner. Now draw the inner circle. Now draw the pupil under it. Make sure the pupil is in the center of the circle. Now draw the highlight lines up the pupil. Draw the crease of the upper eyelid and bottom one too. Draw a few eyelashes to show where you will later draw in larger clumps of lashes. Now I am using black sketch pen to fill the pupil and to fill the upper eye outline. Now I'm using HB pencil to shades inner circle. Now I am blending with the help of cotton stick. One thing you should remember that whenever you are doing sketch, blending is very much important. Now I am using 8B pencil for the darker shades. Now blend it properly. add some darker lime in the inner circle to get the realistic eyes. Now shade upper and lower line and blend it properly. Now shade inside the eye. I'm using 6B pencil to shade inside the eye. And after shading, you have to blend it properly with the help of cotton stick. Shade the corner of the eye and the eyelid to get better result. Now really fill in the lashes with your darker pencil, and I am using here 10B pencil. Now give it a small finishing touch. Yes, it is almost done. It is fairly simple but may take few tries to get right. So keep trying. So if you enjoy this video, then please give it a like and also subscribe my channel Vivis Arena and press the bell button to be notified of my all videos. Till then, bye bye, take care and see you very soon in another video.